I spent $100,000 buying an Escalade, but I got nothing but heartbreak. But then I flipped a $250,000 building and I made 11 years worth of returns in less than 12 months. In the next 12 minutes, I'll show you how to make dumb money leveraging smart debt like a real estate investor, so you can stop borrowing like a consumer and start planting money trees and avoid those money traps that keep you financially imprisoned. Don't be afraid of debt. Debt will make you wealthy. In this video, we will, number one, take a journey to discover what dumb debt is. Number two, we're gonna watch dumb debt get smart. Number three, we're gonna see debt in action. And number four, find out if debt is smart enough to make dumb money. Now come on, let's take this journey to discover what dumb debt is. Dumb debt is when you borrow money from credit cards, lines of credit, to overindulge, to consume goods like clothes, cars, toys, jewelry that will put you further in debt. It's the vacuum that sucks away all your money. You know, the Filipinos have a saying, it's like cooking yourself in your own fat. Eventually, it gives you heartburn and high blood pressure with zero returns. Here's dumb debt in action. Imagine financing a brand new iPhone over 2 years. If you make the minimum payment over the 2-year period, you will never end up paying the phone off, and you will end up owing more than you initially paid for the phone. That's crazy. Sure, your phone is up to date, but every month that paid interest melts your bank account balance like ice cream in July. If you're tired of dumb debt dragging you down and you want to create a money tree, hit the like and subscribe. Now let's watch dumb debt get smart. Imagine you plant an apple tree and you only water it and prune it once, but every fall it drops fruit year after year after year with minimum upkeep but maximum harvest. That's how smart debt works. You may not have come from a wealthy family, but a wealthy family will come from you. Type in the comments, millionaire, if you would leverage smart debt to build your legacy. Here is smart debt in action. I found my first brick 2 family, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, all casement windows in Westwood of Cincinnati. I found this off-market deal in the classified ads. Now don't talk about me. And the seller offered owner financing via a land contract, aka rent to own. He wanted $70,000 for the purchase price with $3,000 down and $700 a month for the monthly mortgage payment. Look guys, at this time, I didn't even know how to paint. I just fixed up my credit that was lower than a golf score from all that dumb consumer debt, but I knew I wanted to live rent-free because I was tired of not owning. I was sick and tired of that rent sucking up my income like a vacuum. So I did the deal. I rented the 2nd floor for $500 a month, and then I rented a room out to my sister and my niece for $200 a month. And just like that, I was living rent-free. I was bringing in $700 a month in rent, and that covered my mortgage payment. I felt like Rick James on the Dave Chappelle show. I'm rich. That small down payment helped me plant my first money tree. I finally leveraged what I considered a dumb mortgage and turned it into smart debt. That's how you consume goods for your benefit, not your detriment. Let me show you how smart debt is going to make you dumb money. This one deal delivered 11 years worth of returns in less than 1 year. I found a 5-unit. I purchased it for $215,000. I then had $30,000 in repairs. The closing cost was $5,000, so the total price was $250,000. Then based on loan to cost, my down payment was $50,000. That's 20% of the total loan to cost. I used the OPM strategy, leveraging bank debt, aka we got smart debt of $200,000. Instead of burying the property, I decided to flip the property. I was able to put the 5-unit under contract within 3 months under renovation for $325,000. So how much did we make? I'm glad you asked. So subtract the following from the $325,000 sales price. $250,000, which is the all-in cost, minus the $20,000 commission that we paid the agent, minus the $5,000 closing cost. That equals a $45,000 profit. Now, out Out of a $55,000 out-of-pocket investment, you know, the down payment and the carrying costs, that created an 81% return. It was like turning one seed into an orchard overnight. The stock market only averages 7.5% a year. This one deal delivered 11 years worth of return in under a year. This is the power of smart debt. Are you catching what I'm throwing? Type in the chat yes if you caught that. The cost of dumb debt. Here's a personal confession. I lost over $600,000 on 4 depreciating assets or toys. I spent it on a Sprinter van, a Bentley, a Mercedes, and an Escalade. Now the Escalade ain't even present in this picture because I literally was preparing it for a funeral. Literally, the Escalade died. And it's at the dealer right now waiting for me to pick up its remains. It's dead, and after it died, all I had was this dumb debt and receipts and regret. Well, I didn't really regret it. It did feel really good to ride in. And when people look at you and give you that nod of approval, it really strokes the ego. But let me be clear with you. You don't need anyone's approval. It's time for you to be radically, unapologetically you. It's time for you to put people on notice. That's why you have to remove these consumer behaviors. Dumb debt is pleasantly pleasant, but dumb debt subtracts. Smart money multiplies. But let me show you how to make dumb money. Dumb money doesn't think. It just flows like a waterfall. In 2020, COVID was setting in the world, and the world was closing down. And the hotel industry revenue was dropping dramatically. And literally, some hotelers were drowning. Hotelers were sinking and began to abandon ship. And in the market, all you saw was owners and investors trying to swim or literally tread water to keep their hotel afloat. While everyone was trying to swim away from the problems, I went towards the problem. I raised a boatload of money and sailed towards the deals that were drowning in default and landed a portfolio of 2 hotels. Now, unlike losing $600,000 on depreciating assets, I spent $500,000 putting these 2 hotels under contract. I went to friends and family, OPM, to raise the rest of the down payment for a total of $4 million. I assumed the existing mortgage and brought it current of $13.5 million for the 2 hotels. I then sold one of the hotels for $14 million, which paid off the mortgage for both hotels. And we netted just shy of $1 million. Now we own the other hotel, the Hampton, free and clear. And then shortly after that, the Hampton went under contract for $9 million. From the sale of this last hotel, I will pay the investors back their initial investment and net a total of $6 million. Now, that's not just for me, that's for my investors as well. That's how you make dumb money with smart debt. Remember, dumb debt subtracts. Smart debt multiplies. Like, subscribe, and share this video if you're ready to stop being a consumer and start being a creator of wealth. Remember, leverage smart debt to make dumb money because you'll end up being just one big deal away. Peace.